Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can join in a clan in Clash of Clans. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, click on this join icon on the left side and here you will get an option join now. Click on it. And now you will see all of the random clans available for you. Normally choose any of them and click on the join button. So I'm going to join on this clan, so I'm selecting it and now clicking on the join button. And that's it, I have successfully joined in a clan. But make sure that the title after the clan name is anyone can join. Then you can instantly join in a clan. On the other hand, if you want to join in a specific clan, then normally click on this search clans option and provide the clan tag and click on the search button. And then you will get the clan, and after then normally just join in the clan. So I'm clicking on the join button and that's it. Now you know how to join in a clan. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.